Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. First, verify Apple system status for Wallet and Apple Pay. A downed service stops everything. Once confirmed, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to refresh radios. Next, make sure iOS is up to date via Settings General Software Update. Older builds can break authentication. While updating, confirm you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that your device region matches the card's issuing country. Now dig into Wallet and your bank connection. Open Wallet and inspect each card for errors or expired dates. That's a common cause. If a card shows problem, remove it and re-add using the plus icon. Follow bank verification steps, which often require SMS, app approval, or a one-time code. If mobile networks or Wi-Fi seem flaky, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. This will forget saved Wi-Fi, so make sure you know passwords before proceeding. Finish by forcing a fresh authentication. Sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in. This forces wallet tokens to refresh. Make a small test transaction or use a contactless device check to validate activation. Retailers often allow that. If the card still won't authorize, call the issuer and ask specifically about tokenization holds or fraud blocks. One troubleshooting tip: if everything else fails, back up and restore your iPhone. It clears deep software corruption while preserving settings when done from a recent backup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.